Hi, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this soft, fluffy, rich and delicious homemade bread. Please stay tuned so that you don't miss any step. Onto a bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of sugar, half cup of powdered milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of yeast. Mix everything together until it is well combined. Create a hole at the center of the mixture. Add 1 large egg, 40 grams of melted butter, and mix with your clean hands. Add 1 cup of lukewarm water and mix together. Place the dough on your work surface and knead very well, like the way I'm going to be doing it. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes. Knead it very well until it becomes tacky to touch with an elastic feel. You can actually do this for about 8 minutes. Can you see the dough is no longer sticky and is stretchy too? That is how your bread dough should look like. Place the dough back into the mixing bowl and cover with a kitchen towel. Allow to rise for about 7 to 8 minutes. Please place in a room temperature. While we were waiting for the dough to rise, let's grease the pan for the bread. The dough has been resting for about 8 to 9 minutes. Can you see it has doubled its original size? Yes, of course I can see that. Okay, place the dough back onto your work surface and please concentrate and watch what I am doing. You see the way I'm folding it in? Fold it in very well. Roll it. Then cut into pieces. And then roll and mold each pieces into a ball shape. Place into the already greased baking pan as you mold the dough. Do this until you are through with everything. video, I'm going to be showing you how I set up my baking pot, so watch till the end. Afterwards, cover the dough and allow to rest for some minutes before placing on fire. Preheat your baking pot for about 4 to 5 minutes before use. Can you see what the dough looks like after resting for some minutes? Yeah. Okay, cover it. Place inside the baking pot and cover it. So I'm going to be placing pan on it and heavy stone to make it airtight. Okay, yeah. So it has been baking for about 40 minutes. So let's open and check what we have. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see? It has turned golden brown. The bread is ready. Wow, this is what we have. So they're bringing it out. Wow, don't mind the under. The under is very brown, but it's not burnt. It's nice. It's okay. Wow, it's can beautiful. You see how soft and fluffy the bread looks? It smells and tastes yummy. Can you see the hot smoke that is coming out of it? Wow, this is beautiful. Well, that's all for the bread baking. Let me now show you how I set up my baking pot. Welcome to another episode. Here is my baking pot. I use sand to bake. So if you want to use sand to bake like me, get a sand, wash it and sun dry before use. Okay, now I'm going to be placing foil paper into the pot to cover the sand. I will also place tomato cup into the pot. This will actually help raise the baking pan away from the heated sand. Also, it will prevent the bread from burning under before the rest of the body is ready. Okay, also place wrap the mouth of the pot with foil round about. This will prevent heat from escaping from the pot. Then place your baking pan, cover the pot. Yes, I'm going to be placing heavy stone on top of this pot cover. But because of the kind of cover that I have, I won't be able to place anything. I won't be able to place stone directly on it. So that is why I am placing this pan on the cover first before placing the stone. That is a stone. I wrapped it for the sake of this video. Okay, yeah. So anything you have that is heavy is okay. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.